Hello everyone, and welcome back to the HrFlow.ai platform. This tutorial will show you how to create a Dropzone source and deploy it to a web page so you can collect the CVs and resumes of your candidates. The Dropzone source is a small boxed area that you can add to any page of your website, such as a job offer page, in order to allow applicants to directly drop their resumes. This source simplifies dramatically the application process for candidates who can apply instantly without any effort. It takes only a few minutes to set up the Dropzone source. To do so, please follow these steps. To get started, go to the Sources section and click on Create Source. You will be then redirected to the Sources Marketplace. Under Website category, choose Dropzone Source. And when the pop-up window appears, click on Create Source. Now type in a recognizable source name that you can easily remember. If you wish, you can check the Apply Notification switch to send a standard confirmation email to your candidates. You can also make your source private if you don't want other teammates to have access to it. And finally, you can add other teammates as source managers so they can easily get access to your source. Once you finish, click on Create Source to confirm. Congratulations, you just created your first Dropzone source. In the Overview tab, you will find your source key, which identifies your source if you want to use the HrFlow.ai API. You will also find a generated JavaScript snippet along with a Dropzone wrapper for your source. You can easily implement the Dropzone by copying these code snippets in any page of your website. Let's do a quick test and try it out on an empty page. First, check the local test switch, as we will be testing the Dropzone locally. Next, copy the generated code snippets into the body of an empty HTML page and save it. And finally, open the HTML page on your browser to see your Dropzone. Now let's test the Dropzone by dropping our first resume. As you can see, our application was successful. To customize the messaging and display of your Dropzone, click on the Settings tab. First, type a success message confirming that the application has been received. Then, specify the height and width of your Dropzone. You can activate explicit consent that requests consent from candidates before applying, ensuring full GDPR compliance. Finally, you can change the widget color to fit your graphical identity. To save your changes, click on the Edit button. Great! Now let's check the new Dropzone. As you can see, the height, width, and color have been changed. And if we upload a resume, the success message is updated as well. This concludes our first video about the Dropzone source. In the next videos, we will see how to use tags and matching URLs within the Dropzone. As always, all relevant resources are in the video description. You can also leave your questions in the comment section and we'll get back to you. Finally, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you get the latest HrFlow.ai tutorials. See you in the next video.